Raven's black wings patrol the skies, beating a rhythm of terror with their cries, casting shadows, stealing light. They circle slow, they circle near. The air grows thick with weight and fear. Harsh shrieks echo through the haze, marking borders like a maze.
Down below,
in the shadow of the murder flock, Songbird Saaalih rises from the shattered trees. Feathers are torn, yet they defy the gale. Soars through the scarred horizon, shining like a shooting star, giving hope for those who are lost in the smoke. The disturbed murder flock shifts in the haze, their circular patrol broken by his rays. The truth is too bright. Ravens fight to conceal their talons, rake the walls, and piercing shrieks go on all day long. A warning to the songbird to retreat. Oh, strong Gaza songbird, your melody soars on high, an unbroken spirit beneath the crimson black sky. Gaza's messenger carried no sword, no shield of steel, only the truth that the world must see. His wings are small, but his voice stands tall, brave, loud, and bold. A spine-chilling sound shakes Raven's ground. Red-eyed Raven gave the cold command to hunt him down across the burnt land.
murder flock, black wings slice, songbirds raw throat his final notes.
Now silent his voice, but the echo remains in Gaza's winds. His melody stays a tune of hope that will never fade away. For every silent songbird, 10 more take their flight to the sky.
Saaalih spirit,
A song that forever will burn bright. Songbird stood fearless, his camera, his might, a lens of truth for all who seek the light. Filming the pain of weary, the little ones, the lost, and the youth. His life was given for the proof. His tune was a soothing sound that consoles all people around, a prayer for the lost ones buried under the ground, a testament of his faith engraved on every stone. Through ruin, through smoke, through grief, his fellow songbirds keep their vow with a heart-aching sound to be the voice of Gaza. Songbird, songbird, memory the children will continue to sing. Rest in peace under the sacred land of olive trees. Songbird of Gaza, the party sails on the earth gently